4 via the 5 line. Yeah. Meanwhile, so we got this train curve over here. See? This is the train curve. You might actually see it over here. This is just dent. It's not dent, it's just the thing. It's actually kind of... This is higher than the train engine. So if we just move on to the 4 cars, the 7th, the 8th, the 2, so yeah. You might see that it's over this section. It's actually kind of like a gap over here. And the gap continues into the corner. So it's like what happened with the automatic footing station. So they have some other trains. I'm going to show you to make how they make a curve. But this is just since the gap is big. And so yeah. And now let's show you some different trains you might like. You never know. Let's do some Chicago Transit Florida. If you like that. And it's the Green Line. This is Ashley 63rd Street. Ashman 63. Our next stop, Ashman 63. Our next stop is Brookhaven Avenue. Yeah. Okay, so let's just see something first of all. Since this is kind of far, but since this is like, yeah, it's the thing, I'm gonna add an unboxing. So this is one train, so I can finish its song. Another train. Whoa. Okay, so it's one train. It can only take about one train according to the thing. See? Just do one train. Okay, so that's not strong, bro. That's worse than the real short line. Like, Mooney Pow should upgrade this. And also, they should make curve stations for Mooney Pow. Because, like, train themselves and a whole bunch of other YouTube channels trying to do this. And they had to use train tracks. And I'm also doing that because, yeah. And so, yeah. Now we just do that thing. Let's try some real Chicago-made trains. So these are real Chicago, from Chicago's. these were Chicago delivered, so let's test them. It's the holiday train. There's the 4000 series and the 2600 series. So this is wider than this train, and also, but this, and it's actually very wide. It's really wide. The curves are like very sus. So there it goes. It does that. You see actually how it's very, this section, it's like so apart. So you put a finger gap. Sorry, I blocked you, but it's a finger gap. And also it's kind of long. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video soon. That's why. Bye.